last tune is on my EP, and that's called Tuscany.
Lost my heart in Tuscany, like a falling sun taken by the sea. I lost my mind to burning flame, and the beating drums beat away my pain. My feet were soft from broken glass, oh, waiting in the sand, time to pass. But in that time, my wounds were kissed by dancing girls in the morning mist. As we danced, when my bones felt like light, bouncing off that naked skin, so clear, so bright. I could tell you that I still carry it with me. Thank God I lost my heart into the skinny. Thank God I lost my heart into the skinny. I built a bridge in Tuscany between what is and what will be. I built a home, a mountain of fields, and a wooden ship which sank away my feet. The sons and daughters of the love being shown, oh, took me in their arms, they carried me my heart in Tuscany. Thank God I lost my heart in Tuscany.
Woo!